Another one.
Mabuhay pool fans around the world. Please join me today as we watch my incredible match in the 2014 World 9-Ball Championships against the young player Dennis Grabe, a three-time European champion. I was 60 years old at the time, but I am amazed at how well I performed. Click the like button now and let's dive in. This 9-ball match is a race to 9 game. Dennis controlled the lag and breaks first. This young champion is from the country of Estonia. He decided to take the push out here. I decided to pass because he was a tough shot, but Dennis executed it very well. He was a bit cautious here and decided to play it safe. I really tried to cut the 3-ball for a counter defense, but I missed it completely. He will now continue with ball in hand to clear the table.
Oh, no.
Pool fans, we now move on to rack 4. Dennis Grabe played really well, and now I am trailing 3 racks behind. I really need to get settled and focused now to catch up to him. This match happened in Alatia Sports Arena of the Al Arabi Sports Club in Doha, Qatar. Thank you. At last, I was able to score a rack. The score now is 3-1. At this point, Dennis missed the 4-ball badly. So I really need to take advantage and run out this rack. In my experience playing pool at this level, if you want to win, you always have to take advantage of every opportunity your opponent gives you. Unfortunately here, I got short on position on the 8-ball, so I decided to play smart and play safe. He made a very poor counter defensive shot here. I was a bit careless there, but it was a difficult shot. Here I was tired of playing it safe, so watch what I did next.
Easy shot, that's why I'm pretty good.
I hope you like the magic shot. We proceed now to rack 8. The score now is 5-2, still in favor of the young player from Estonia. Now, observe carefully, pool fans, as something truly amazing happened in this rack. Unfortunately, the cue ball ended up too close to the 3 ball. My options were limited, but watch what I did from here. What I did was a slight, massy shot with an elevated butt of the cue stick to make it swerve behind the 9 ball. It was the only shot I needed to execute, and luckily I did it well. You may be astonished by my shots here, baby, but they were more lucky than anything else. I can't believe I still have so much luck at this point in my life. And when I play pool, I often get really lucky. Maybe God is blessing me, and I thank Him for that.
Because a long time ago,
We now move on to rack 9. I am only trailing by 1 rack. Luckily, I made a really good containing safety shot here. It was just a tough spot, so Dennis did not make contact. And now I get ball in hand, and I will try to clear the rack. My loyal fans, if you have reached this far, please like this video. I thank you all for supporting me from the bottom of my heart. Now this 9 ball to tie up the match.
I will
We now move on to rack 11. Wish me luck as I try to run the table. When I joined this tournament at 60 years old, I was one of the oldest players. I'm grateful they still allow me to compete. Most participants are from the younger generation, and it brings me great joy to see more and more young people starting to love this game.
to book, 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 book. That's why.
On this game more.
Hang on, pool fans, as we enter into rack 12. Dennis Grabe is back on the lead 6-5. I played safe on the 1 ball here, but watch what happens next. What a great kick shot from Dennis. I did not expect him to make that. He then played a good save here, and now he has an open layout. One thing I want to share with you is that as much as you practice your shooting skills, you must also master your defensive game, as this will have a big impact on your matches.
Oh, no.
Here we go, my dear pool fans, in rack 14. The score stands at 7-6.
Easy shot.
Here, my opponent missed the long shot on the 5-ball. Now, I need to capitalize on this mistake. I know I have a chance to win this game. Wish me luck.
That's my lucky.
Let us now proceed to rack 15. Somehow I was able to tie the match. In this instance, I try to be very careful with my shot selection. One mistake here could cost me the match, so I play it safe. This part of the match is crucial, so every shot must be carefully considered and executed with precision. However, it's important to stay aggressive and trust your skills despite the pressure.
Get lucky.
I almost scratched here, but I was very lucky to still have a shot on the 4-ball next. At this point, I am a bit nervous, but I know I can manage. Buckle up, pool fans, as we dive into rack 16. I'm already on the hill 8-7. My opponent may have lost his momentum, so I have to take advantage. And at this point, I am seizing every opportunity. I want to keep my opponent off the table as much as possible. I tried the bank shot on the 3, but unfortunately missed the mark. Sometimes taking big risks comes with consequences. Dennis ran out this rack and brought the match to hill against me. This is the final rack. Unfortunately for Dennis Grab, he scratched on his brake. I was really relieved to get ball in hand with an open table. Now let's see if I can handle the pressure and run out. Pool fans, please like the video now and comment Efren Reyes GOAT. Thank you. I love you all. It was a really long match, and I was very happy with the outcome. I couldn't believe I won against a talented young player like Dennis Grabe in a hill match. This win is a testament to the hard work and dedication I've put into the game over the years. While many consider me one of the greatest pool players of all time, I always strive to stay humble and continue improving. Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe to see more. God bless all of you and stay lucky.